This is the Avata, DJI's first flight experience drone that provides an immersive way to capture new and unique perspectives. I was able to take the DJI Avata on an epic week-long adventure through Iceland, capturing all that this beautiful country has to offer. Now, if you didn't know, I am completely new to the FPV world and was a little worried and hesitant on how this trip would go. I was able to spend a bit of time in DJI's flight simulator app where I was able to get a feel of the flying experience as well as fine-tune my skills. With just a week of practice, I grabbed my friends and embarked on this incredible journey. This lightweight and easy-to-use drone allowed me to capture video like I have never been able to before, providing new angles and camera movements to complement my adventures. I was able to capture 4K stabilized video in an ultra-wide field of view while feeling immersed in the shots I was capturing. This palm-sized drone paired with the new second-generation DJI goggles was able to transmit an HD, low-latency image perfect for an immersive flight experience. Since this was my first time flying FPV, I was happy to have the ability to use the intuitive DJI motion controller. This is a great way for new flyers to learn the ins and outs of the Avata and is honestly a super fun way to fly the drone. Once you have mastered flying in the simulator, you are able to adjust the sticks on the FPV remote controller and fly in full manual mode, allowing you to take the next step in FPV. When flying FPV, the thought of crashing your drone and having no room for error is a reason most are scared to enter the space. The DJI Avata has propeller guards that allow you to take a deep breath when flying through tight spaces and honestly saved me a drone out in Iceland. I am super excited to continue my FPV journey and I'm happy I was able to start with such a smart and intuitive drone. The Avata removes the stress of flying FPV and allows you to enjoy the experience while capturing incredible footage along the way. Perfect for all your storytelling needs.